the General, the eerste General, the number one General of sports, yes, of podcast. Asibonge. Vandaag nomshini oyitshentshanga. Feda mchini?
Sharp njanga.
Feda kinjani?
Alungisa the general.
Yeah, the General. Oh, mbiza kanje.
That's fine. Hola. Alungisa the general.
I'm just kidding. Mamela ke mfethu. Si the Makanya Games, ama finals, mbonile during the week intwana zakho bezidlala. Sidlala kanjani?
Unfortunately, Vision Academy, it's been about the last 16 under 13. That was the last team. And then under 11, it's been about quarterfinal. Yeah. But all in all, I would say it's an achievement for those boys because of it was first time by Entara Togo Games.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I'm happy for Bone, even
It was
though
an experience.
Yeah, it was an experience and eye-opener for me again, how to go with the tournament, the flow from group stages until to the last finals. I think it's an achievement for them to be on that tournament.
No, asibonge that. But for wena, even for your players, do you think ama-game aso ayenzani to coach nama-players?
For me, as I said, it's an eye-opener because of you are playing with different teams from different markers. And then that's when you get your boys to say, no, look guys, it's not like in Kagiso where you play against teams that you know. You are going to meet different people with different structures. And then let's try to be what we are because of at the end of the day, it's a motivation itself among those boys. Yeah, it's a motivation because of that's what I'm telling you, especially for this young boys, to say, every player must express himself so that when you get an opportunity to go outside of Kagiso, then you know what you expect. That's the whole scenario in terms of Vision Academy because of Vision Academy is not all about me, it's not all about those boys, but it's all about community, whereby the community will look at that boy and say, no, it comes from Vision Academy. Who's Vision Academy? Vision Academy comes from Muchini. Muchini comes from Diamond City. You can mention all those yesteryear's teams. Now I say I'm so very thankful to be representing those boys.
No, that it is very, very nice when Muchini. Muchini ne njengoba siqoqeda ukusho ukuthi you are very much grateful for ama-games afana nabo Makanya the Tugu games, the Joseph Makanya tournament. Inikeza ama-players i-experience because of it was for the first time ama-player wakho futhi adlala ku-tournament eso. Manje moving forward, Vision Academy, ubona i-Vision Academy ikuphi from here moving forward?
Firstly, I'll say Vision Academy for 2024, all in all, 2024, it was a great achievement because of I already promoted 3 players from my team, Vision Academy, to Stars of Africa. Yeah, I think it's a milestone achievement since I opened this team 2018. Now, my vision is to say, let me get these players to know where they are today. Because of in the near future, they'll remember and say, no, Vision Academy is the team that started us from location until where we are. Because of my goal is to see these boys competing up PSL, it can be international ones, and I'll be happy. I'll be happy with that one.
The vision is big. But do you see the Vision Academy? Is it only an academy, or do we see it probably in the next future performing or Idala or PSL or something of that nature?
For now, I'm still crawling. But I'll get there. I'm still crawling. I'm still learning from other old teams like the likes of Porto that are competing at GDL. I'm still crawling, but I'm growing up with these kids, especially with the soccer fraternity. That's when I'm learning in these teams. But I see myself one day being a manager or a team owner as like now, but owning a team at PSL.
Owning a team at
PSL.
Called Vision Academy.
Vision Academy.
So, Chini, Which team do you support, Mzansi?
Mzansi, I'm going for. I'll say, unfortunately, it's no longer in PSL, but Moroka Salos. That's the one that. Moroka Salos was always coming first. Moroka Salos.
When I'm not a boss.
All the way, Moroka Salos. That's the team that I grew up supporting because of. I used to learn so many things because of my father was one of the supporters of Moroka Salos. Then he used to take me to the stadium and go and check the likes of Manelo, I can mention all of those players, and I could see Swallows coming to fetch Manelo at Ganso Stadium and say, here's the team that I'm supporting. Now it gives motivation for me to play football. Even now, that one I can say a lot because of that was the one that pushed me to play football until where I am, even in life. In life, he take me and say, no, boy, when you are down, this is what you have to do. I'll always cherish the moment that I follow because of that's the biggest person who play a big part in my life. Yes.
Now you go. Moroka Swallows is no longer there, so there is no team or supporter.
I'm not a supporter. I'm a fan of Kaizer Chiefs.
Fan, not a supporter.
Not a supporter.
So you are a fan.
I'm a fan. I'm not.
Exactly.
Because I'm not a carrying member. I can't say I'm a supporter.
You're not carrying a card.
No, I'm not a cat carrying member.
There are people who call themselves supporters, but they don't even carry a card.
Those are two different things because
I know
when they say supporter, it means already you are recognized. Yeah. But now, if you are a fan, now one day you know.
So it means there are too many fans more than supporters.
More than supporters.
So you are one of those.
Yes, I'm one of those.
You're one of those fans.
Exactly, I'm a fan.
Okay, overseas.
Overseas, I can't say a lot about that one because of my main one is I'll go for Manchester United. Man United.
Yes. These days at least man.
I've seen they've already got a young coach, which I believe is still learning at Premier League. But let's give him a chance. Let's give him a chance.
They are cooking.
Exactly.
And then I was talking to some few young people just now. McCarthy made a point that Relay. Barcelona wants to buy him. They are more interested in him, and he says no. Relay is not ready. I understand that to go and play for Barcelona. Do you think McCarthy is valid?
I'll say it's valid because when you check McCarthy where he comes from, he played at the big center stage. Now, when he says that, then you must know that the legend talks about.
Oh, no, but McCarthy it is Kalego. Let's start with McCarthy. Kalego.
No, McCarthy.
And then he went to Wakupuga. As when we make our points, we must also remember that no Kaleva.
Exactly.
Abo Lucas, Bakalego. The same South African, the same PSL. Yeah. So what will be fit Relay to go and play for Barcelona? What is it so difficult to go to Relay at Barcelona?
I think he's making a point whereby you can be a good advisor to him and say, no, yes, boy, I understand a lot of people are asking for that opportunity for you to go that side. But when McCarthy speaks, now it says a lot. I'll speak to my point and say, no, maybe it's right, and say, no, this boy is not yet ready.
And when you look at Mufuge, do you think he's not ready?
No, he's not ready. I go with McCarthy, he's not ready.
He's not ready.
He's not ready yet. Exactly. Sometimes when unless they give him a chance, those lower leagues say no, let's cook him up. Let's cook him up so that we get ready for that action. Because it's tough, right? And you see how many players want to play at Barcelona. You see how many players wants to play and play new. You can name so many.
But what
players.
if he never gets that opportunity? What if he never gets that opportunity to play for us? Because of our advices afana nawe, you know. Mina ngithi lama advices when waka noma kata ya beta.
Okay.
Mina for me personal, I'm saying that advice yeah beta. This boy is ready. If Barca can take Abu Lamin and other young people, because of now Barca is using a lot of young players. Real Madrid is using a lot of young players.
Yeah.
You understand? So I think if they can take him now, you understand, and introduce him to the culture. Yes, because he's still young. You understand? Because of don't take him to another team.
Oh, yeah.
Or another team must cook him. Who must cook him for you? You must cook him yourself. And it's warm for now. So you must cook him yourself to what you want him to be.
Okay.
You get what I'm saying?
All right.
Because of I believe he's a player. You can take a player and put him anywhere. He will always be a player. Right now you just need to direct him and push him to the right direction. With no one. You're gonna dlala nabo bantwana. Yabona mo dlala nabo bantwana. Zindanga zakho. Pusha now. I think as a coach, you just need to motivate your player.
Exactly.
You understand? That's what I believe. Any player can fit anywhere. It depends on who is coaching the team. You understand? It depends. When you are a coach yourself, Mishini. You understand? You coach in one. You understand? You know the mentality and already. He's already cooked player. You don't start him afresh. You just need to tune him according to what you want him to be. Because now I believe he can fit anywhere. He plays for Bafana Bafana. Bafana Bafana plays with all these players and players are overseas. So what makes you say that he's not fit to play Elena Mari? He still plays against the same players Otiwena. He's not fit to play with them, but he plays against them against Bafana Bafana.
The standard of football it's different. When you check in Spain, you've got the center stage is Serbia.
Yeah.
Exactly.
I'm Chini high. And I still refuse. In fact, so now you are undermining your own.
No, I'm not undermining.
You are undermining your own football.
No, I'm not undermining Relay. I said to you.
No, you are undermining your own football.
No,
I'm not referring to Relay alone. You are undermining your own football.
Let's not put him under pressure. That boy to perform. Let's wait for another season and say no, we can. But it's the first season.
But in fact, why we
don't want to say no, it's a failure. It's heavier for a player to be told and say no, it's a failure, especially when it comes to media. You know how media works. Say no, that boy we are supposed to say no, give him one chance and maybe another year so that he can be right, but he rushed. Now now I'm saying he's a good player and he deserves it, but he needs another time so that he can fine tune and say okay, if Barcelona says bring a relay to us and then when we start him at TDC for instance, it's an example. And say no, this is exactly. This is a culture, how we work, how we play. The standard of football is like this. Get the culture, get everything.
Now you are talking.
Exactly.
Now you are talking. When you say he's not fit, I don't understand it. I will never understand it because I will never undermine myself. The standard of football, the standard of football may be high,
yes,
but I will never look down on my football.
Okay.
You understand? I will never. That one I won't agree with it. Even doesn't matter what I will never agree to it. You can't say you stand as a footballer to weak.
No.
You understand? I say go weak because of. You stand as a football, such as La Liga or Premier League or Bundesliga or whatever league it may be. It may be high. You understand? According to their standard, it's fine.
Yes.
No problem. But not according to us. Standard is to say high.
It's very high.
You get what I'm saying?
Let us give him 1 year and say no, you can go that side. But for now, I'm still saying no. Let Relay establish him more than accelerate. So that when you go that side, then we say no. 2 years at Pirates he was doing good, and then second year he's doing
so you feel good? He's still good. He's still a good player.
No, it's a good play. Definitely a good player.
So we agree with you.
He's a good player. Definitely sure.
Nah, as long as so he can play Nabolami.
Exactly.
Yeah,
He
sharp.
can even take over those snaps.
He can
When you
even
see
take
him
over.
play that side and say, no, this boy, but he's got the talent and bright future ahead of him.
And then we had not long ago the CAF Awards, and then Ronwen Williams got 2 awards: best goalkeeper of the year, and also the intercontinental player of the year. So there were some squabbles with Onana deserved the what. So do you what are your sentiments on that?
I can't say Onana bad or Onana this, but I'll say for Ronwen, 100% he deserves it. Fairly so. Let me not go back.
Why do you say?
When I go back and say Africa Cup of Nations team, you see those when you are good at team, when you are good at national level, then you are a complete player. Then you can compete with the highest. That is why you see him snatching those awards. And he's an African. It's not like in Europe and say, because of you are good at but African people are watching, the coaches are watching. But now I'll say 100% he deserves. Yeah, no one have to dispute it.
It's undisputed.
No, it's undisputed. Yala baba. Khana, nene. I got Ronwen. He can play with the guy. He can command very well. You can see when he's in the field, he enjoys himself. That's the kind of player that you need. You see the likes of Itumelukun. He was he used to enjoy himself. But now, when Ronwen came in, let's give him a chance and say, no, this is our number 1 goalkeeper in South Africa, and we are proud. Even at Sundowns, he's doing well. The very same thing that
is the number 1.
He's the number 1 born. It's undisputed. I still say that.
Yeah.
Because I was a goalkeeper.
I know.
Yeah. That's what I like about him. He can play the guy.
Yeah.
It's not like he's the goalkeeper just because of hands, but yeah, he can play. That's what I like. And he can command very well. You see, he's a captain.
Yeah.
Both at Mamelodi Sundowns, both at, then you can't take away.
Do you think is it a bit too late for him, or
no,
he can still play overseas?
No, he can still play overseas unless the right people can take a look at that guy, and perfectly so. I think he can go for that guy. He still have got a chance. Remember, Buffon used to go for 42 years, and he was not ready to retire. Yes, he wanted to retire. Maybe let's say 45,
around
50 years.
Towards 50
years. He's a goalkeeper. Then he feel when the body says yes, then you can't dispute it. Yeah, I think it's still early for him, but he can go that side and he can fit very well.
He can fit
very, very well. I like.
So which team would you recommend for him?
I'll say Tottenham.
Why Tottenham?
Tottenham play nice football. Tottenham and Liverpool.
Maybe Liverpool.
Tottenham play football, nice football.
Yeah, they play nice football.
It's a quick counter.
I think they always need a very smart coach. Because of the only coach who knew how to coach Tottenham was Jose Mourinho. He is the coach for me who I enjoyed watching Tottenham when he was coaching Tottenham. I enjoyed watching Tottenham. Now, because of Song is there, Sharp, but.
No, I understand that, but I'll say maybe 2 teams. If not Tottenham, because he can play with it. And it's not those data sellers. You know, when you are a keeper, then you data seller the ball, you are under pressure. Because of you can see even on the small side. Even on the small side. Then he practice that. That's something that Sundowns is doing. That national level.
And he can command.
He can command very well. Then his voice, he can sing.
He can direct the team where to play.
But now, if you are a goalkeeper, then data seller, you can't even play with your feet. Then it's a problem. Now you can't take the team out of the picture. And then now you remember, as 11 players inside the field, everyone has to know what to do. You can't say, no, I'm a Tatazela goalkeeper. When the ball comes, then you are shaking like this. No, we don't know. That is why even at the young age, I teach them, when you are under pressure, this is how you do it. Let them snatch it, then you learn. We're going to identify another training session. Yeah, so that you must grow with that because of the point. It's not like Kabela Pambele. No, we don't no longer play that.
Don't do Kabela Pambele.
Yeah, we started at the back, then we go inside.
We build up.
Exactly my point. That's how we work at the present moment.
Mshini, your Christmas message, my brother. You get the camera and give us your Christmas message.
I would like to say thank to Togo Makanya, Joseph Makanya tournament for accommodating all these kids during this festive season. And then I'll say all people, enjoy yourself and drink safely. Let's be safe, all of us, so that we can see another 2025. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mchini. Asibonge tata. Asibonge tata. Uxolele Nathan Konkoti, but it's fine. I am Minister the General, the EST General, the #1 General of Sports. City Magbekos Behele. Asibonge.